Charging isn't just for home, it's happening at work and everywhere you go. Destination charging means topping up while your car sits parked at the office, shops, or gym. Many companies now offer workplace charging, letting employees plug in during the day. Supermarkets, retail parks, and cinemas install chargers to attract customers. Charge while you shop or watch a film. This network of chargers fits charging into your routine, not the other way around. It helps eliminate range anxiety, knowing you can top up almost anywhere. More chargers in more places make electric cars practical for everyday life. Every new charger is another reason to make the switch. Charging on the go is becoming the new normal. Out on the road, you rely on the public charging network, growing fast and everywhere. Chargers are at motorway services, car parks, petrol stations, and even residential streets. Finding them is easy. Your car's sat-nav or apps like ZapMap show location, speeds, and availability. Using a public charger is simple. Contactless payment, RFID cards, or smartphone apps. DC fast chargers at motorway services are quick and user-friendly. Plug in, tap, and go. The UK is investing billions to expand this network, aiming for chargers every few miles. More ultra-rapid chargers on major routes, more level 2 in towns and villages. A robust public network is key to making electric cars viable for everyone. The more chargers, the more confident drivers feel. Public charging is the backbone of electric motoring. More electric cars mean we need more chargers. Simple as that. As electric car numbers soar, the charging network must keep up. A dense, reliable network builds public confidence and kills range anxiety. When chargers are everywhere, supermarkets, gyms, libraries, motorways, charging becomes routine. More chargers mean more competition, better prices, and faster innovation. Companies compete to offer the best service, driving improvements for everyone. Without enough chargers, drivers face queues and higher costs. Building out infrastructure is about future-proofing transport. The petrol and diesel phase-out is coming. Electric is the future. Investing in chargers is as vital as roads and bridges. Every new plug is a step toward a cleaner, quieter, more sustainable future. The backbone of tomorrow's transport is electric, and it needs plenty of plugs. Electric car chargers aren't complicated, they're the key to the future of driving. From slow level 1 to fast DC chargers, there's a solution for every need. Chargers connect our homes, workplaces, and destinations, making electric cars practical and easy. The ability to wake up with a full battery or top up while you shop is what powers the electric revolution. The network is expanding, chargers are getting faster and smarter, and new tech like wireless charging is on the horizon. The world of electric cars is moving fast, and charging is keeping pace. It's all about freedom travel where you want, when you want, without worry. Chargers are the quiet heroes making electric cars better for drivers and the planet. They're making our roads cleaner, our cities quieter, and our journeys more enjoyable. The future is electric, and it's fully charged. The electric luxury space is a battlefield of titans, both new and old. In this rapidly evolving arena, innovation and prestige collide, as automakers race to define the future of high-end motoring. The stakes are higher than ever, with each brand vying to capture the imagination of drivers who demand not just performance, but also sustainability and cutting-edge technology. Tesla pioneered the market, proving electric cars could be desirable and fast. With its relentless focus on innovation, Tesla shattered old perceptions, making electric vehicles aspirational. The Model S Plaid, for example, redefined what was possible, blending blistering acceleration with long-range capability and a minimalist tech-forward interior. Tesla's influence is undeniable, setting benchmarks that others now strive to match. Established players like Porsche and Mercedes-Benz have entered the ring with impressive offerings. Porsche's Taycan brings the brand's legendary driving dynamics to the electric age, while Mercedes-Benz's EQS sets new standards for comfort and advanced features. These icons of luxury are leveraging decades of engineering expertise to create electric cars that feel both familiar and revolutionary. New challengers like Lucid Motors push boundaries with range and efficiency. Lucid's Air sedan boasts industry-leading battery technology, offering remarkable range and rapid charging. Their focus on luxury and innovation is attracting attention from enthusiasts and industry veterans alike, proving that fresh perspectives can disrupt even the most established markets. This competition drives innovation, with each brand offering unique strengths. Engineers and designers are constantly pushing the envelope, experimenting with new materials, software, and design philosophies. The result is a wave of vehicles that are not only more efficient and powerful, but also more luxurious and connected than ever before. Tesla focuses on software and acceleration, Porsche on driving feel, and Lucid on efficiency. Each company brings its own philosophy to the table, shaping the electric luxury landscape in distinct ways. Whether it's the thrill of instant torque, the serenity of a silent cabin, or the convenience of advanced driver assistance, there's something for every kind of enthusiast. This diversity means there's an electric luxury car for every taste. From sporty sedans to opulent cruisers, the choices are expanding rapidly, making it easier than ever for drivers to find a model that fits their lifestyle and values. The battle for supremacy pushes the industry forward, making cars better each year. As these titans compete, consumers benefit from rapid advancements in technology, safety, and design, ushering in a new era where luxury and sustainability go hand in hand. Electric cars improve air quality by eliminating tailpipe emissions. True sustainability involves the entire vehicle lifecycle, from manufacturing to recycling. Automakers use sustainable materials like vegan leather and recycled textiles. Factories are designed to be energy efficient, powered by renewable sources. Battery production is becoming cleaner, with a focus on reducing controversial materials. At the end of a car's life, batteries can be repurposed or recycled. This circular economy is key to long-term sustainability. Electric performance is defined by instant torque and precision. The seamless acceleration offers a thrilling and confident driving experience. Beyond speed, electric cars are platforms for autonomous driving. Advanced sensors create a real-time model of the car's surroundings. Driver assistance systems make driving safer and more convenient. The ultimate goal is full self-driving, transforming our relationship with cars. Cars will become mobile living spaces, offering relaxation and entertainment. Range anxiety is fading as battery technology advances. Luxury electric cars now offer ranges comparable to petrol cars. Fast charging technology enables quick recharges on long journeys. Charging infrastructure is expanding rapidly, covering major routes. The combination of long-range cars and fast charging makes electric travel easy. The interior of electric cars is as revolutionary as their powertrain. A flat floor and longer wheelbase create a spacious lounge-like cabin. A large touchscreen serves as the command center, replacing physical buttons. Sustainable materials create a luxurious and ethical environment. Panoramic glass roofs flood the cabin with light, enhancing the serene experience. Owning an electric luxury car offers unique benefits. Lower fuel costs and home charging provide convenience and savings. Fewer maintenance needs mean lower costs and more time to enjoy driving. The silent, smooth drive reduces fatigue and enhances relaxation. Over-the-air updates improve the car over time, enhancing the ownership experience. The future of electric luxury cars promises even more innovation. Solid-state batteries will offer longer ranges and faster charging. Autonomous driving will transform mobility, reducing congestion and accidents. Cars will integrate with the energy grid, stabilizing infrastructure. The definition of luxury will evolve, focusing on seamless experiences and well-being. The rise of electric luxury cars marks the start of a new technological revolution.